Bachelor of Science in Process Manufacturing, Practice and Technology is an exciting new collaboration between Cork College of CCFET Life Sciences Centre, the National Tertiary Office and Munster Technological University.
This course should appeal to people who have an interest in the biopharma and pharma industry and would like to get a level 7 degree in that area.
First year is based in Cork College of CCFET Life Sciences Centre, a very focused, hands-on facility for people to develop practical skills relating to manufacturing.
And then go on work placement, where they get a further understanding of the applicability of that technology in a local pharma or biopharma company, and come back to college in MTU in year 2.
So the centre itself operates as a mimic manufacturing facility, and they get to understand the fundamentals in relation to behaviour and practices in a high-tech manufacturing environment. A tertiary degree is an alternative pathway for entry into third-level education that doesn't involve application through the CAO point system.
It's based on entry requirements which are available on the National Tertiary Office website, and it may suit somebody who likes a more hands-on approach to their third level experience. Dual registration means the students are registered from day one with Cork Colleges of Further Education and Training and with Munster Technological University.
Students have access to the supports of both institutes for the duration of their degree.
At the end of it, they will have the skills and abilities and attributes that will allow them to take leadership roles in technology within the biopharma industry.
They can access the library in MTU, they can access the societies in MTU, they can access sports facilities in MTU. Equally, they can access learner supports from Cork College of CCFET. To find out more information, you can go to the National Tertiary Office website, or you can go to the Bishopstown Campus website, which is www.bishopstowncampus.ie.